Next question number 4, fill in the blanks with less than or greater than sign. To compare two numbers, firstly we check the number of digits. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digits. So of course 5 digits are greater. So this side will be open. We will put here greater than sign. Next, firstly count the number of digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of digits are same in both the numbers. Now start. This is 40,000. This is also 40,000. This is 40,017 and this is 40,007. So this one is greater. Next, arrange the following numbers in ascending order. To arrange them in ascending order, firstly you will compare them. You will count the number of digits. Ascending order means smaller to greater. Firstly we will write the smallest number. So find out the smallest number by comparing these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the number of digits are same. Now this is 29,435. 43,592, 29,463, 54,396. These are both 29,000, but there is 435 and there is 463. So this is the smallest and this is greater than this smallest number. Next, compare these two numbers. This is 43,000 and this is 54,000. So this number is smaller than this one. So this will be at third place and this will be at fourth place. Now arrange them according to their order. Firstly write this number 29,435. Second number 29,463. Third number 43,592. Fourth number 54,396. Next, question number 6. Arrange the following numbers in descending order. Again, in descending order also you will compare all these numbers, but the only difference is in descending order we will write firstly the greatest number. So find out the greatest number after comparing these numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the numbers have same number of digits. This is 90,403, 90,304, 90,406, 90,046. So which one is greater? This one is the greatest number out of all these numbers. Before 406, this one is smaller, then 304, third, then this is the last one. Okay. Now arrange them according to their order. Greatest number is 90,406. Second, 90,403. Third, 90,304. Fourth, 90,046. Next, question number 7. Write the successor of. To find the successor, what do? We add 1 to the given number. So, successor of 10,889 will be 10,889 plus 1. Okay. Now add them in the rough work. 10,889 plus 1. 9 plus 1, 10. 8 plus 1, 9. 8, 0, 1. So this is 10,890. So this is the successor of the given number. Next is predecessor. For predecessor we subtract 1. So predecessor of 10,000 is 10,000 minus 1. To find predecessor we subtract 1. So subtracted in the rough work 10,000 minus 1, take borrow from this, 9, 10, 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 9, 9. So this is 9,999. This is the predecessor of this given number. Students, question number 9 and question number 10 you will do yourself. Now the question number 11, find the sum of successor and the predecessor of the 100. Firstly you will find the successor, then predecessor of 100, then you will find the sum. So write here, successor of 100, how will you find it? 100 plus 1, that is 101. Next, predecessor of 100 will be 100 minus 1, that is 99. Now you want to find the sum, so add them. 9 plus 1, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. This is 200. So the sum of the successor and predecessor of 100 is 200. This is your answer. Students, now this exercise is complete. Remaining questions you will practice yourself, and after completing the remaining parts you will send the PDF of all these questions on my personal number. And if you face difficulty in any question, please let me know. Thank you and have a good day.